Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what happens when your error pops up of X input that comes in various applications and in various games. Now go to my computer, click on C, navigate to Windows C, and then find the folder System32, and in the search bar type System32 and then search for X input. And as you can see, now it's showing all the files. Now select all and hit delete button, but I'm not going to delete it, I'm just going to show you guys. So I'm not going to delete it my files. So now go to SYS W2W64 folder and search in the bar. Navigate C, Windows and System WOW64, and now search in the search bar X input. After searching all the files, select all the files and hit delete button. Now as I said before, I am not going to delete it, I am just showing you guys what you have to follow. So I am gonna click it cancel and now go on back. Here you can see what you have to do, that to reinstall Directx you have to delete all these files and then reinstall Directx. That will hopefully solve your all problems. And if you guys find it useful, so don't forget to hit the sub button and share our channel. So, okay guys, thanks for watching.